Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic proportions. So proportions means when two ratios are equal is called proportions. A by B equal to C by D. That is A is to B as C is to D. When two ratios are equal is called proportions. Next we learn proportionality law. So A by B equal to C by D. Now the cross multiply here, A into D, that is AD, B into C, BC. Here B and C are means, A and D are extremes. So what is the law? Proportionality law. The product of the extremes equal to the product of means. That means AD is equal to B into C. Now let's move on the exercise 3.3 fourth question. Find whether 12, 24, 18, 36 are in order that can be expressed as two ratios that are in proportions. Here we know that first we take 12 is to 24 as to 18 is to 36. First we take the proportion here. So we know that proportionality law, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Here 12 and 36 are extremes, 24 and 18 are means. So 12 into 36 is equal to 24 into 18. So 12 into 36 multiply, we got the answer 432. So here also 24 into 18, the answer is 432. Therefore, the two values are equal. Yes, 12 is to 24 as to 18 is to 36 are in order that can be expressed as two ratios that are in proportions only. So fifth question, write the mean and extreme terms in the following ratios and check whether they are in proportions. The first one, 78 liter is to 130 liter and 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. First, what is given here? 78 is to 130 as to 12 is to 20. Here two ratios are given. We have to write the mean and the extreme terms and also find out the two ratios are proportions or not. That means the two ratios are equal or not. First we have to write the extremes. So extreme means the first one 78 and 20. So 78 and 20 is the extremes, 130 and 12 is mean. So we know that product of extremes equal to product of means. That means 78 into 20 is equal to 130 into 12. So we know that multiplication here, 78 into 20, the answer is 1560. 130 into 12, the answer is 1560. So both answers are equal, therefore it is in proportion. Ninth question, the number of correct answers given by Carmugilan and Kavita in quiz competitions are in the ratio 10 is to 11 if they had scored a total of 84 points in the competition. Then how many points did Kavita get? Correct answers given by Carmugilan and Kavita are in the ratio is 10 is to 11. So total points 84. So it will be divided into here 10 plus 11, that is Carmugilan and Kavita ratios are 10 plus 11. The answer is 21 equal parts. We have to find points scored by Kavita only. So points scored by Kavita equal to 11. So Kavita score is 11 divided by 21. So total number of equal part is 21. So out of 21 she scored 11. So 11 divided by 21 into total point is 84. So in 21 table 21 ones are 21, 21 fours are 84. The remaining number is 11 in numerator 11 into 4. So 11 fours are 44 points. Therefore Kavita scored 44 points. Seventh question. If a person reads 20 pages of a book in 2 hours, how many pages will he read in 8 hours at the same speed? So here the given is pages read in 2 hours 20 pages. First we have to find the pages read in 1 hour. So in 2 hours 20 pages means 1 hour means we have to divide 20 divided by 2. In 2 table 20, so 10 times possible 10 pages. So in 1 hour 10 pages he will read. Therefore pages will be read in 8 hours equal to 8 into 10. That is 8 tens are 80. So 1 hour he will read 10 pages means 8 hours means 8 into 10, 80 pages. Therefore number of pages will be read in 8 hours equal to 80 pages. Eighth question. Cholan walks 6 km in 1 hour at constant speed. Find the distance covered by him 20 minutes at the same speed. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So what is given? So distance covered in 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes equal to 6 km is given. We have to find the distance covered in 20 minutes. First we have to find the distance covered in 1 minute. So 6 minutes the value is 6 km. We have to find the distance covered in 1 minute. 1 minute equal to 6 divided by 60. So in 6 table 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60. Therefore 1 by 10 km. Next we have to find distance covered in 20 minutes. So 1 minute the distance is 1 by 10 km. So 20 minutes means we have to multiply 20 into 1 by 10. Here 0, 0 cancel. So what is the remaining number? 2 is the remaining only. So 2 km is the answer. Therefore Cholan covers 2 km in 20 minutes. So this is the answer. Ninth question. The number of correct answers given by Karmugilan and Kavita in quiz competitions are in the ratio 10:11 if they had scored a total of 84 points in the competition. Then how many points did Kavita get? Correct answers given by Karmugilan and Kavita are in the ratio is 10:11. So total points 84. So it will be divided into here 10 plus 11, that is Karmugilan and Kavita ratios are 10 plus 11. The answer is 21 equal parts. We have to find points scored by Kavita only. So points scored by Kavita equal to 11. So Kavita score is 11 divided by 21. So total number of equal part is 21. So out of 21 she scored 11. So 11 divided by 21 into total point is 84. So in 21 table 21 ones are 21, 21 fours are 84. The remaining number is 11 in numerator 11 into 4. So 11 fours are 44 points. Therefore Kavita scored 44 points. 10th question. Karmegan made 54 runs in 9 overs and Ashif made 77 runs in 11 overs. whose rate is better? Here given run rate is equal to ratio of runs to overs. First we have to find the run rate of car Megam. Here out of 9 overs he made 54. So 54 divided by 9. So 9 table 54 how many times? So 6 times. So car Megam score is 6 runs only. Next we have to find the run rate of Ashif. So Ashif run rate is out of 11 overs he made 77. So 77 divided by 11. So in 11 table 77 how many times? 7 times only. 7 11s are 77. So car Megam run rate is 6. Ashif run rate is 7. So which one is better? 6 or 7? So 7 is better. Therefore Ashif run rate is better. 11th question. You purchase 6 apples for rupees 90 and your friend purchase 5 apples rupees 70. Whose purchase is better? We have to find whose purchase is less amount. Here in my purchase cost of 6 apples equal to 90 rupees. We have to find the cost of 1 apple. So 6 apples 90 rupees means 1 apple 90 divided by 6. So in 6 table 90 how many times? 15 times. So 15 6 are 90. Therefore cost of 1 apple equal to 15 rupees in my purchase only. In my friend purchase the cost of 5 apples rupees 70. We have to find the cost of 1 apple. So 70 divided by 5. So in 5 table 70 how many times? 14 times only. So in my friend purchase the cost of 1 apple equal to 14 rupees. So which one is lower amount? My friend purchase only, lower only here. My friend buy for lower price only. Therefore my friend purchase is better only. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.